Ke family house mo ke ko hae ke family house ke from my mom ke nna le sister ya ka bitso la ke Nomsa o rekisitseng and then a jafatse so ke family house and I did not consent for yena or rekiseng I can consent she did it out of her own will so yeah ke family house and national right of paisal and after more I discovered upon investigating really we discovered the will was fraudulent. So yeah, this is where we are now.
Ululama, igama lami Ululama wakwaMavatha, ngime noLija Makotoko, my husband. Sila eOrlando East eMotor Street 2029. Indlu ithengisiwe fraudulently ngewill engekho emthethweni and si caught up manje kwi situation yokuthi ibuyer isisebenzisana noRafik ihijacker eyaziwayo la eOrlando thingithi Soweto ehijack izindlu zabantu so we were like izolo basingenele ngoba abantu lokuzaya abaphulayo befuna ungena forcefully so sinaleyo challenge namhlanje ukuthi bafuna ukuthatha indlu ngendlela engafanele abafuna ukulandela all the procedures the way thina besibabuza ngakhona so basically indlu bayithengisa ngendlela wrong izolo bafikile uRafiki ehamba nabantu bebesiqashele bona bafika baphula igate bafika mabefika bengena endlini ngene nje ngeforce besilwisa besitshela nje ukuthi nabo bazohlala nathi lana because le ndlu ithengwe uNkulu but now sizibuza uNkulu wakaMbhele the buyer oyithengile but now isihamba isifaka uRafik sekuuye okwi forefront sekuuye umuntu osefuna ukusikhipha and njoba enza kahle nje uRafik into enzakalayo izolo size sabiza amaphoyisa uRafik unama warrant of arrest uRafiki kunama cases awahambayo uRafik usebhelini but amaphoyisa bekade khona we had like 4 vans bezikade zila ayikho into abayenzile they just mediated and then bashiya bahamba banjalo wabuya emva kwalokho and the way bes expected uncedo from kubo ngakhona was that bathatha uRafik bayam arrest but they did not do it so uRafik nondodakazi yakhe he tried buying this house ngomntanakhe ngefraud futhi which is proven ukuthi vele kunamaphephe kwakade bewenzile ngendodakazi yakhe ukuthi izokwazi ukuthi lendlu ibize yena uHamida uThabit so basically akusase uNkuli ohamba kwi forefront sekuRafik the hijacker most known hijacker yala eOrlando East okuhlukumezana nabantu asilalanga sikhathele sincede umphakathi we have operation Dudula as well besincedisa ukuthi ku resolve this thing baloku bayeza nje lokho kuzayena lo Nkulu loyo so namhlanje bashilo bathi they are still coming back so sinaleyo nto leyo ukuthi asikhona ukuphumula since beqale this whole thing.